Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Then we're showing you the GB1000 battery pack that we have installed here on the vehicle. We've used this for a dash camera. This battery has a capacity of 6800 milliamp, and this one also has the Bluetooth function. We'll show you. One thing that we like about this battery, we've seen different batteries in the market. They have like regular connectors that we've seen them many times. They fall off, they come off, they even melted in a few cases. This one has a proper DIN connector that's actually, you actually screw it on and that's it. It's not gonna come out. It's something very durable. It's not gonna come out. You don't have to worry about mounting that in a way that it might come out and make a short. So now we're going to show you the app that we have for basically the app that we are using. So we have the GNET app. So you can see here we have the temperature that the battery reads. We have the input voltage. We have the input current. We have the output voltage and the current, which means that tells us what the battery right now is pulling, 430 milliamp. The version, input power source. We have the Bluetooth signal. Battery in use. So right now it tells that the battery is in use. Estimated usage time, discharging in 8 hours. Battery is 58% and about 8 hours based on the current that has been pulled out. Now we're going to move this. There is 4 cells for this battery, so we can see the condition of each cell. Battery is operating normally, so we have that. Now we can go here and we can change the settings. Right now we have it on normal charge and we have it on ACC, which means the battery basically knows that when there is no more ignition on, to stop pulling from the vehicle and just to run the camera. But you can actually have this battery set up for a battery option, and when you're in a battery option, you can connect this battery to constant power, so you don't have to worry about accessory. And the battery has a protection cutoff inside that will give you different voltage, so that will allow you to set up the battery to have it on constant power, saves you from looking for accessory power. And if you put it, for example, at 12.7, which is very high, most vehicles, when you turn the ignition off, it's automatically gonna go to it's not gonna pull anymore, it's not gonna charge anymore, because it's automatically gonna go to running the camera directly. So again, this is a nice feature that we've never seen it in any other vehicles, but in this case, in any other battery systems, but in this case, we're gonna leave it as at ACC. And this is pretty much your setup and your settings. Now we're gonna start the vehicle. As soon as we start the vehicle, we can see we have the voltage of the vehicle and the current, which means how much the battery is pulling to get charged. Okay, and pretty much this is the introduction to the GNET GB1000 battery. For more information, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and have a great day. We're gonna have a link on the bottom here to purchase this battery on our website. Thank you and have a good day.